Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best griddles that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking for an in-depth analysis before making your purchase decision, you're in the right place. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Porch Shield 28-inch griddle cover. Now, this isn't a cooking griddle, but it's an essential accessory for protecting your griddle investment. Designed to fit most 28-inch griddles, including Blackstone models, this cover is made from tough 600D polyester with a waterproof undercoating. It's built to withstand sun, rain, snow, wind, and dust, making it ideal for outdoor use. The UV-resistant treatment ensures it won't fade over time, and the double-stitch seams provide exceptional durability. Adjustable click-close straps and buckle systems keep the cover snug and secure, even in windy conditions. The design is user-friendly, featuring heavy-duty handles that make it easy to install or remove. The air vents prevent condensation, helping to avoid rust and corrosion. While it's not a cooking appliance, it's a must-have for those who want to maintain their griddle's longevity. It's perfect for outdoor enthusiasts or anyone who loves grilling in all seasons. At $33.99, it's an affordable investment to keep your griddle looking new. Pros: affordable, durable waterproof material, easy-to-use design. Cons: not a cooking griddle, only suitable for specific griddle sizes. If you're in the market for griddle protection, this is a fantastic choice. At number 4, we have the Chefman XL electric griddle. This griddle boasts a 10 by 20-inch cooking surface, offering plenty of space to prepare meals for a crowd. It's perfect for big family breakfasts or holiday gatherings. The adjustable temperature control ranges from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 420 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you the flexibility to sear meats, fry eggs, or simply warm up food to your liking. The non-stick surface reduces the need for additional oils, promoting healthier cooking, and the slide-out drip tray collects excess grease for easy cleanup. Performance-wise, the Chefman griddle excels in versatility and convenience. The cooktop is fully immersible and dishwasher-safe once the temperature control is removed, making cleanup a breeze. With a sleek, black matte design, it's both functional and stylish for modern kitchens. However, its price is not listed, which might make it harder for buyers to compare its value directly against other options. Pros: large cooking area, adjustable temperature control, easy cleanup. Cons: price not available, lacks premium build quality seen in higher-end models. This griddle is a solid choice for users looking for a versatile, family-friendly option with healthier cooking features. At number 3, the Bella XL Electric Ceramic Titanium Griddle is an impressive, budget-friendly option with some premium features. Measuring 12 by 22 inches, its extra-large cooking surface can handle up to 15 eggs at once, making it ideal for large families or meal prepping. The standout feature here is its ceramic non-stick coating, which is reinforced with titanium for durability and scratch resistance. It's 8 times more durable than traditional non-stick coatings and cooks up to 30% faster, saving time in the kitchen. This griddle is equipped with a 1500-watt heating system, cool touch handles, and precise temperature controls for a hassle-free cooking experience. The healthy eco coating contains no harmful chemicals like lead or cadmium, so you can feel good about using it. Cleanup is a breeze, thanks to its submersible cooking surface and non-stick properties. However, while it excels in value, the lightweight build and less robust heating distribution may be less appealing to advanced users. Pros: affordable, fast cooking, eco-friendly non-stick surface. Cons: may not offer even heating for complex recipes, slightly lightweight design. For those on a budget who need efficiency and eco-friendly features, this griddle is a fantastic pick. Coming in at number 2 is the Lodge Reversible Cast Iron Grill Griddle. If you're a fan of traditional cooking methods, this heavy-duty cast iron griddle is perfect for you. Measuring 9.5 by 16.75 inches, it fits over 2 burners, offering ample cooking space for everything from pancakes to steak. Its reversible design lets you choose between a flat griddle surface or a ribbed grill side, giving you incredible versatility in the kitchen or outdoors. The build quality is exceptional, crafted from seasoned cast iron that offers superior heat retention and even distribution for consistent results. Whether you're using it on a stovetop, in the oven, on a grill, or over a campfire, this griddle performs reliably. It's made in the USA and free of PFAS, PFOA, and PTFE, ensuring a safe cooking experience. However, it does require regular maintenance to prevent rust and maintain the seasoning, which might not appeal to everyone. Pros: versatile, reversible design, excellent heat retention, durable cast iron build. Cons: requires regular maintenance, heavier than other griddles. If you're looking for a durable, versatile griddle for indoor and outdoor cooking, the Lodge cast iron griddle is hard to beat. And taking the top spot at number 1 is the Presto 07061 22-inch electric griddle. This premium griddle combines functionality, performance, and convenience, making it the ultimate choice for families and avid home cooks. With an expansive 22-inch cooking surface, it's perfect for preparing large meals or cooking multiple items at once. The PFAS-free ceramic nonstick coating ensures effortless food release and quick cleanup, while the cast aluminum base is warp-proof and built for durability. One of its standout features is the removable handles, allowing the griddle to fit in standard 18-inch cabinets for compact storage. The Control Master heat system automatically maintains your desired cooking temperature, ensuring consistent results every time. Plus, the slide-out drip tray makes it easy to collect grease and clean up after cooking. While it's the most expensive option on this list at $59.99, its performance and thoughtful design justify the price. Pros: extra-large cooking surface, removable handles for storage, durable build. Cons: higher price point, slightly heavier design. For households that need reliability and versatility in their kitchen appliances, the Presto 07061 electric griddle is hands down the best choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the best griddle for your needs. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.